And Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will hold a Janata Darbar in Kaushambi today to hear public grievances. This is his first public meeting after taking charge as Chief Minister for the second time. Now the Janata Darbar will be held in Kejriwal's Kaushambi office. The last Janata Darbar held at Delhi Secretariat in 2014 resulted in chaos and unpleasant outcome as the crowd became uncontrollable. That experience compelled Kejriwal to stop all proposed Janata Darbars in 2014. However, today's meeting is expected to be a brief one. Meanwhile, Kejriwal, in his meeting with all heads of departments and secretaries yesterday, directed them to do their jobs with honesty and assured them that the government will support them. The Chief Minister also urged the officials to come up with innovative ideas and have zero tolerance to corruption.
कल यहाँ उनके ऑफिस कार्यालय में बैठने का प्रोग्राम है और उसकी पर्याप्त सुरक्षा व्यवस्थाएं कर दी गई हैं और जैसी स्थिति होगी पर्याप्त सुरक्षा व्यवस्था दी जाएगी। आवश्यकता पड़ने पर रूट डाइवर्जन किया जाएगा। आवश्यकता पड़ने पर अगर नहीं ऐसा लगता तो नॉर्मल चलता रहेगा।
Well, Arvind Kejriwal Government 2.0 and a new Janata Darbar this time at his Kaushambi office. Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, interestingly meeting people in Ghaziabad. Apart from that, you can see this time it is much more organized. Probably lessons have been learned from the last time. The police has in fact thrown a cordon here. They have made queues for people, those who can go in, and as you can see behind me, massive security arrangements also. So streamlined process, people standing in queue. You can see how this serpentine sort of a queue that is going, and then people are allowed 5, 6 at one point of time to go inside and meet the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Let me go across to a few people, ask them what they have come. कब से आए, किस लिए आए आप यहाँ?
सर, मेरे पिताजी दिल्ली विद्युत बोर्ड में कार्य करते थे। उनकी नौकरी वो गुजर गए थे 99 में। 2002 से केस चल रहा है, 2015 तक हो गया, अभी तक कोई यूनियन सुना।
कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
दिल्ली से सर, रोनी से।
आप कहाँ से आए हैं साहब?
जी, मैं नजर से आया हूँ।
उम्मीद है कि मुख्यमंत्री जी कुछ करेंगे इसमें?
हाँ, हमें पूरी उम्मीद है।
You know, people from Badarpur, people from various places, Najafgarh, other places are here. It's very interesting at one level that all of these people, constituents of Delhi, these are the people who made sure that Arvind Kejriwal gets this massive mandate. They are here in a different state, in Ghaziabad, to meet the Chief Minister. In Delhi, if you remember last time, there was this Janata Darbar of Kejriwal, and we all know how that went through. It's much more organized, as I've been saying. This time in Uttar Pradesh, probably the police of UP has learnt a lot of lessons, but people here from the state of Delhi in UP trying to meet the Chief Minister of the state of Delhi. With camera person Subodh Ankit Tyagi in Kaushambi, Ghaziabad for Headlines.